Jury selection began today for the first of 6 Baltimore police officers charged in the death of Freddie Gray. Gray suffered a spinal injury while in police custody back in April. He died a week later. Officer William Porter is accused of involuntary manslaughter, reckless endangerment, and assault in the death of Gray. Paula Reid was inside the courtroom today for the beginning of jury selection. Paula, what was the courtroom scene like today?
Elaine, as these 80 potential jury members came into court, you could clearly hear protesters outside. Now, I'm told the protesters were few in number, but they had a megaphone and they were clearly audible inside this stately courtroom where the judge was asking the usual questions about attitudes towards law enforcement, medical issues, and anything else that could keep you from serving as a juror. Now, Elaine, it was interesting. When asked, not one person in the room was unfamiliar with Freddie Gray, with the riots, or with the civil settlement that Freddie Gray's family has entered into with the city.
Paula, what is the jury breakdown for this case, and do they think they will get an impartial jury?
The jury pool that they're working with today, and they could go through another pool tomorrow, it was about 50-50 black and white, 50-50 male and female, with a range of ages, and it was solidly middle class.
Paula, you know, this is such a charged situation. I know, obviously, in the wake of the riots, tensions are certainly high. Did they ask any jurors about their feelings regarding law enforcement?
They did, Elaine. They asked a few questions. At one point, the judge asked, does anyone have strong opinions or strong feelings about police use of excessive force? And about half a dozen people stood up and said yes. Now, they weren't specific about what their attitudes were. That's what the judge is doing now. He's taking each one of those people into a conference room and asking them more. Now, they also asked whether anyone had been a victim of a crime, whether they had pending charges or had recently been arrested. Now, that extends not just to the potential jurors, but also to their immediate family members. Elaine, half of the potential jury pool stood up.
Paula Reid reporting from Baltimore for us. Paula, thank you.